Hello everyone. Today I'm going to be eating the peanut butter puppy chow Dairy Queen, and sometimes a person serves you and you just don't really like them. You know what I mean? I'll just leave it at that, okay? Like why do some guys have feminine voices? What's up with that? Why that's not your real voice. Why are you talking like that? I don't understand people. Like, why are you not talking with your real voice? Or like, there's some people that even do that with their deep voice. Like, that's not your real voice. Like, you're faking your voice. Some people do that. I don't. This is my actual voice. But maybe I am faking it. Maybe I'm animated. Maybe I'm just a cartoon of your imagination. Maybe this isn't even real. It's a simulation. It's a simulation. But I guess I'm going to try this out. I do like the puppy chow stuff. I've had it before. It's pretty alright. I made it with someone before. I can't remember who, but we made it. It's basically just peanut butter, chocolate, and just powdered sugar over the Chex Mix or whatever. So, I mean, like, I've gotten it before, and I got those frosted animal crackers too before. Like, I don't get them like all the time, but I had them like before. You know? Grown man having the elemental crackers, now that's life. Okay. So I'm going to be trying to doing weird, crazy impressions today. So you got to just keep that in mind. Someone's mowing the lawn. There's always someone mowing the lawn over here. Like, you probably can't hear it on the camera, but I can hear it. Time to eat the ice cream. Woo! They ice cream! Ice cream! Ice cream! Yeah! Yeah. Because ice cream is good for you. Sometimes it needs ice cream. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Um. Mm. Woo! 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 Ice cream. Ice cream. Ice cream. Ice cream. Ice cream. Ice cream. It was hot, but ice cream made me feel cool. cooling myself off. Ice cream makes everything better. Build strong bones. Ice cream. Ice cream. Ice cream. Nope. Don't do it. 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 No. Oh. No. Just put it down. Put it down. Walk away. Down. What are you doing? Don't do it. Don't do it. It's all sugar. Is this really worth it? $7.50 for this? I could get a full pizza and spread ice cream all over it. Is it really worth it? I don't know if it's better than the grocery freezer aisle. What's in this stuff? What's in this stuff? What are you putting in this stuff? I'm not really trying to advertise this. I was trying to be funny. I wasn't trying to promote products. Here we go. Here we go. It's melting. It's melting. Eee. 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 Mm. Mm. Take that thing left. It's all gone. Have a good day.